Hi friends, welcome back to Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Today I'll show you how I make Mysore masala dosa with spicy red chutney. Masala dosa is one of the most popular South Indian breakfasts served in restaurants. Dosa is a fine crepe made using rice and a few lentil mixed together. These masala dosas are quite delicious and addictive. You can have these dosas for breakfast, brunch, lunch, or even dinner. Mysore masala dosa is crisp and soft dosa spiced with red chutney and served with a potato sabzi along with coconut chutney and sambar. The main difference between masala dosa and Mysore masala dosa lies with the red chutney spread on top of the dosa. Here we apply the red chutney over the dosa with generous butter or ghee and the potato masala and serve it. The dosa is crisp, dense and thick than the regular masala dosa. So let's check out the ingredients. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified as and when I upload a new recipe. If you like this recipe of mine, do give a thumbs up and click the like button. So let's get started. Here I have taken 2 cups of raw rice, half cup of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of moong dal, 1 tablespoon of chana dal and 1 tablespoon of tuar dal, 3/4 teaspoon of methi seeds. Wash it and soak it for a couple of hours. This is half cup of cooked rice. Mix everything well and grind it to a fine paste. Once it is done, give the mixture a nice good mix and let the batter ferment for a couple of hours. It depends on the temperature of the place where you stay. Add salt just before frying. After you add salt, give it a nice good mix and then you are good to go frying the dosas. Now let's make the spicy red chutney. Here this is garlic and onion, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, fry it in oil. I have taken around 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the cumin seed starts crackling, add in the 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Fry till the chana dal is nice and you get a good aroma. Don't brown it, but it should be cooked, otherwise you will get the raw taste of the chana dal. Once you see the color changing, add garlic. This is around 6 pods of garlic roughly chopped. And then once the garlic is fried for a few seconds, add in the roughly chopped onion. Now here you don't have to brown the onion, but it should be soft till the raw smell of the onion goes. It takes around a minute or so. This is 1 Kashmiri chili for the color and 10 Bedgi chilies for the spice. This chutney is quite spicy, but if you wish, you can increase or decrease the chilies as per taste. Add salt as per taste. Let the mixture cool and then grind it to a paste. Do not add water while grinding. It should be thick. Now start frying dosas as we normally do. Make round. This Mysore masala dosa is not very paper thin like the masala dosas. This is a little on the thicker side and a little soft, not very crispy like the masala dosas. Add butter, ghee or oil of your choice. And this depends on how much you like to add. Some like to add more oil, more ghee or butter, whatever it is. Let the dosa cook well. Once the dosa is done, spread a little spicy chutney. Be careful, this chutney is quite spicy, so go slow on it if you are serving it to kids. Once you are done with the chutney, put a little potato masala on that. This is the bhaji. I'll provide the link in the description box. And now fold the dosa and serve it with coconut chutney and sambar. Do give it a try. I'm sure you too will enjoy these Mysore masala dosas. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to click the bell icon to get notified as and when I upload a new recipe. The list of ingredients is given in the description box below. So my dear friends, hope you have enjoyed this quick and yummy recipe of mine. Stay tuned for more such interesting recipes. Till we meet again, check out my other recipes at Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Bye, see you soon with a new interesting recipe. Take care till then.